Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now. Contact local law enforcement and file a missing person report. This creates an official case number. Gather recent photos, phone numbers, social accounts, medical history, and routines because investigators and volunteers will need them. Once done, alert close contacts, coworkers, and anyone who saw them last. Make a short timeline of their last confirmed movements. This practical foundation speeds searches and preserves evidence, so act decisively and document every interaction and lead received. Next, widen the search systematically. Sweep nearby homes, vehicles, transit stops, and known hangouts while police handle formal lines of inquiry. Simultaneously, check digital traces, social media posts, last seen timestamps, location sharing apps, bank transactions, and ride-hailing histories to narrow timestamps and places. Once you have leads, coordinate volunteer search teams, assign zones, and distribute concise flyers with a clear photo and contact info. Make sure to log who searched where and when so efforts don't overlap or miss areas. To finish the effort, maintain regular contact with detectives and send any new tips, images, or transaction records. Persistence often surfaces overlooked details. If progress stalls, broaden exposure. Contact local media and register the case with national missing person databases to keep it visible. If leads still dry up, consider a licensed private investigator or legal counsel to pursue subpoenas for records. If you hit roadblocks, request a detective supervisor and document each denied request so you can escalate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.